Welcome back, Power Stoke Nation. I hope you guys are all doing well out there, staying healthy, staying happy, and just loving life. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit. I'm sunburnt. It's been super nice out here in Oregon. A little bit too nice. We actually were the hottest place on the planet a week ago. But as you can see, I don't want to show too much. There's the truck poking out there. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know the truck is now wrapped in new color. But for you guys that have not seen it yet, here you go. So that is the big reveal of the truck, you guys. It is nothing super crazy, just a total color change, and I am so excited. It fits the channel much better. It fits my style a lot better. I need to figure something out with that chrome bumper because that has to go. So we've got a few parts for the truck that are gonna be going on hopefully soon when I get some time. I've got some new shocks. I got a front balance to put on, and I gotta clean the air filter. I got a lot of stuff to do. As you guys can see, I told you guys the sub box is pulled out. I gotta rewire that. Got a lot to do and a lot planned for the truck, including a new interior. But I wanted to show you guys something that I'm really excited about that I've been working on. It's kind of been under wraps. I haven't told really anybody other than family and stuff, and they've been very supportive and they really like it. So I think it's finally ready for you guys. All right, you guys, I'm super excited to share this new merch with you. This is a whole new line I've been working on. Like I said, this has been something that's kind of near and dear to my heart. It seems a little bit silly, but I really take pride in everything I do when I build my truck. It's really cool to be able to tell people that I put my own injectors in, my own turbo, and that I've just, you know, this truck has been built by my hands and several of my buddies' hands and family's hands, and you guys have all helped me get to where I'm at. So it really means a lot. So in honor of that, I've started a new line. This is the Garage Built line, established 2017. This channel was founded in July of 2017, which happens to be 4 years ago this month. And this channel means a lot to me, and all you guys out there that have subscribed and watched my videos, you guys all mean a lot to me, and I'm really excited about this new line. It's got a little Power Stoke logo on the front for you guys, so you guys can still rep the channel if you want. It's small, so that way it's not too out there like the original shirts, which I still love. Nice little Power Stoke, simple, but on the back, you've got Garage Built. But anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. Like I said, I've got some stuff on the way for the truck. I've got shocks in the garage. I got the sub pulled out. I've got a couple things that I will be working on. It's just all a matter of time and me actually making time for it. So I wanted to say thank you to everybody that has been watching the channel and continually watching my videos, commenting, sharing them. I see you, I appreciate you, and you guys keep me going every day. So thank you all. God bless you. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.